Where's my intro? Hello everyone, and today I will be showing you how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave. Let's go. So first you need to put some oil on your roll so that you don't get eggs stuck to it. I mean, who likes to do dishes anyways, right? And next, you need to crack an egg and scramble it up a little bit, you know? Punching is a nice way. Then you put it in the microwave and you wait for the clock to go down to 0. Once it's at 0, you take them out of the microwave. Yay! Congratulations! Now you have radioactive, microwaved, egg-flavored newspaper. Enjoy your meal, everyone. Oh, isn't it so fun to poke with a fork, right? Right. But I wanted bacon. What?